Binibenta nila yung insurance as an investment vehicle and that's wrong. Ito ang minsan na hindi na-explain ng mga insurance agent. Binibenta nila yung insurance as an investment vehicle pero magtataka yung kanilang mga client. Bakit nung first year, second year, third year, fourth year, wala pang kita yung ano ko? Tama. Ganito kasi yan. On the first years ng VUL, portion yan is nilalagay sa pag-enforce ng insurance. Kung limited pay yan to up to 10 years, most likely 80% no binabayad mo yung premium is napupunta sa insurance. And then after years pa lang, bumababa yung portion. After 3 years, magiging 40-60. After 4th year, magiging 10-90. Until the rest na is mapupunta sa investment. Uunahin muna talaga yung insurance. Pero kasi, the idea here is, kung i-check mo on how it works, hindi pa ganun kalaki yung kita ng investment part to sustain yung insurance charges. Nung sinabi na on the 5th year, pwede mo nang ihinto, most likely, baka hindi